Introducing the GFLED Grid Frame Light by WareLight. Designed for commercial and industrial spaces, this ultra-thin fixture installs seamlessly within standard drop ceiling grids. With selectable wattage and selectable color temperature, it's easy to customize both brightness and light appearance to better match the needs of your space. Available in 2x2 and 2x4 sizes and finished in white, the GFLED series is a strong fit for offices, schools, healthcare facilities, retail spaces, and other commercial interiors. The 2x2 model features selectable 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40 watt settings and delivers up to 5,000 lumens, while the 2x4 model offers selectable 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50 watt settings with output up to 6,200 lumens. Using a switch on the driver, you can choose between 3000K, 3500K, 4000K, 5000K, and 6500K to better match the look and feel of your space. A 120-degree beam angle helps provide broad, even illumination across the area. These fixtures run on 120 to 277 volts and feature smooth 0 to 10 volt dimming. These fixtures are CUL listed and backed by our 5-year warranty for added peace of mind. Designed to simplify both retrofit and new construction projects, the GFLED series helps minimize disruption when replacing existing fluorescent troughers, while offering a clean, modern lighting solution for updated spaces. Contact us today to learn more. Thanks for watching.